Hi, I'm Lara Bomser, and I'm going to talk to you about why signing a do-it-yourself will is a bad idea. The first reason is that you may end up signing the will in a manner that does not meet the requirements necessary to execute a will in Connecticut. If your will doesn't meet the requirements, then the probate court will determine that you've died intestate or without a will. This means that the state of Connecticut determines who your beneficiaries are and not you. A second reason that a do-it-yourself will could be dangerous is that the document may be ambiguous or be missing necessary legal language. Filing a will with ambiguous language could result in your assets passing to unintended beneficiaries or to beneficiaries in a way that does not meet with your wishes. For example, if you have minor beneficiaries but fail to include a provision in your will that names a responsible individual to manage that beneficiary's inheritance, the beneficiaries would receive their shares at age 18, and they might spend it on a sports car rather than saving it for college. Reason number 3 to avoid making your own will: it may not have all the provisions that you need. What if you have a minor child, and you and your spouse are no longer alive, but you fail to name a guardian in your will? In that instance, the probate court would appoint a guardian who may not be the individual you want to take care of your children. What if you have a beneficiary who has a disability or special needs? If you give that beneficiary a distribution under your will, that beneficiary could lose their public benefits. If you had a special needs trust in your will for that beneficiary, they could have received their inheritance without losing their benefits. Consider the people you name under your will to help make sure that your assets are distributed in accordance with your wishes. Who is going to be your executor? Who is going to be your trustee? These are important conversations to have with a qualified estate planning attorney to ensure you're naming the right person. And finally, what happens if life changes occur because of a death, divorce, or disability? Those changes are triggering events for when you should meet with one of our attorneys who may recommend revisions to your will that address these life changes. If we can be of any help in preparing your will or answering your estate planning questions, please give our office a call. Thank you.